lightning, we are not safe because our material in the Biafrata is metal cable. Yeah, so this is the reason why we can cancel the Biafrata during the bad weather. Okay? Okay, so in case if bad weather or somebody of you not well, so you just follow the summit trail, follow mountain guide, back here for your second breakfast. Yeah? Okay, and then, okay, so any question about the summit trail? All of you? Okay. Okay, so if all of you reach here, okay, on time, okay, so I give you time to rest, and then, but this point is no toilet. Just the bush toilet, but you need to ask me first, yeah? Because this area is danger, so then you have to go to toilet, yeah? Okay? Okay. Okay, and then after you rest, so all of you need to wearing the safety equipment, okay? And then we rope up together with the safety rope, and then before we start, I need to double check again you wearing your equipment properly, okay? And then we start the Biafrata. So for information, I am not the first person start the Biafrata in our group. I am the last person because our Biafrata is going down, not going up. So tomorrow I need one in your group coming our leader. Okay, coming our leader. Yeah? Okay. Okay, and then in the group also you can pass to me one camera. Okay, one camera. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then okay, so all of you, do you know what's mean Biafrata so far? Yeah, so Bia mean is very ancient adventure, and Pirata is the from the Italian word. Its translation Biafrati in English translation is iron way or iron path. Okay, and then of course in our Biafrata in Mountain Kinabalu, just put the Biafrata route. Okay. Is already fixed of series of rung, leather, metal cable, open pin, magnolia, close pin, hand hole, yeah. Just embracing to the rock face area, okay. And then for the low speed circuit, okay, you see the orange marking, okay. Okay, so okay, the length, the whole this orange marking is 1.2 kilometer. 1.2 kilometer, and then average times to finish it, this is 4 to 5 hours. This is the average time. Yeah? And then because this is depend our speed in the group, because during the Biafrata we rope up together with the safety rope, and then we have a teamwork each other. Go slower, all of us slower. Okay? Okay? Okay, and then the 600 meter, the first 600 meters, yeah, this is the real low speed circuit Biafrata. This part is more vertical. Okay, more vertical. Okay, and then okay, so let's see. We start the Biafrata is good weather. Okay, and then we reach about 100 meters somewhere here. It's raining. We can still turn back. But if you finish about 300 meters, 400 or 600 meters, no turn back, no shortcut. We just continue the Biafrata. Work together. Yeah, slow. Yeah, slow and be careful. Yeah. Okay, so okay, 600 meter. We have two highlights. Yeah. The first highlight we have.
Desmond, okay, maybe Desmond already spoke about this one, but I just give the impression again. Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna use two level of safety. Okay.
Okay, somewhere here we have a first highlight. We call it this suspension bridge, okay, or foot bridge. Yeah. So the length this foot bridge is 20 meters. 20 meters. Yeah. And then your action during the bridge tomorrow is like this. Okay. Okay. And then after we finish the 200, that means the 20-meter suspension bridge, we continue the normal Biafrata and we cross by the second highlight. We call it this 3Y bridge. Okay. Or we call it this also Nepalese bridge. Okay. So this bridge. Okay. we have a 2 above to handhold, 1 below to both step. Okay,
And if you still moving
so
like that,
the length this 3 wire bridge is just 8 meter length, 8 meter only.
and you can
Yeah.
do the knock test.
Okay.
It's not in
Okay, and after we finish this bridge, we continue the normal BF rata. Okay. Okay, and until to the jungle section. Okay, this is the after 600 meter we reach to the non BF rata. This is the jungle. Yeah. Okay, so during the jungle section we untie the safety rope, but the helmet and harness we still wearing. And then I give you time 10 minutes rest. Okay, before we proceed to the jungle section. To the jungle section, I lead the way. And then all of us must be careful because this 300 meters jungle section is I mean we have muddy land, loose rope, and sometimes we walk underneath the tree. Yeah, and then some of the part we already fix the rope to hold. Yeah, okay, okay, and then after reaching here, it is finished with the jungle section. Okay. Then the same time I give you time to rest first before you rope up again with the safety rope. And then we have another 300 meters BF rata, but this is not vertical. This is more horizontal. Okay. Okay, and then this part is a bit climb, horizontal, and then if you reach somewhere here, this is a joint to the walk the top BF rata. This is a big wall. And after the finish the wall, this is the joint to the walk the top BF rata. When we follow the right side, cable going down, and then just horizontal and vertical bit. And we reach here. This is the last highlight. Okay.
But for this one, I can guarantee we will never use this one tomorrow. You can still use this one. Because
we call it this 2-wire bridge or monkey bridge. Yeah. So the length of book cable is just 6 meters, and below is just 2.5 meters. Just short. Okay, you action like this tomorrow. Okay. Okay, and then after that we continue the normal BF rata until to the end of the BF rata exit point. So if you we reach here, we untie the rope, but the safety equipment we still wearing, and then we have another 300 meters to the summit trail. Wait here for your late breakfast because okay, we finished the BF rata is around noon, but it's between our speed. Yeah. Okay, and then for information, yeah, our checkup time is 12:30. So that's why before you climb tomorrow, you need to prepare your stuff. You don't want to bring, you just keep properly. And let's see, you back here late time, after 12:30 you just bring out your stuff because our housekeeping need to clean the room for the next group check in tomorrow. Okay, so understand? Okay, good. Okay, so any questions so far?
Okay. And for this one, yeah.
For the BF rata, that part, right? There's anything like height limit or something like that?
The highest?
Is it better for like to go in height as a group?
This
It means
one?
not tall, short, tall, short.
Okay, this one is the highest person. How high are you?
1.5.
Okay, it's good. It's good because this is kids last time. Is 1.35. So this is yeah.
So that means you go by height limit. That means go by height lah. The tallest person first, then the shortest. Or
Okay, so tomorrow because tomorrow who is scared of height is better close me. If scared of height, it's better close to me. So it's easy to me to explain you how to move your action. Yeah. So don't worry about that.
as in, I think you don't understand my question. Meaning, do we have to go by a group height? That means the tallest person in the group go first, then followed by the
Sending
shortest.
orders. Like, tallest going down.
No need.
No need.
I was thinking, wait, very funny.
No.
Calculated.
Like, you stretch there, right? I cannot reach.
Oh yeah,
Should be okay.
also important tomorrow if you wear jacket, you must put
So any question so far?